Wait. Okay. Hello everyone. Today me and Leonard are gonna try the no burping challenge with Sprite. Before we start, we shall say cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, go. No, wait. Here are the rules. No, stop. Don't stop drinking. And if you oh god, no,
I only drink a little.
okay, and that's the only rule.
3,
2, 1.
I got none. So easy. Are you finished? I'll drink it. Bottle flip. Bottle flip. I will get more. Are you finished? Bing is not here. Finish. Okay. Bye.
No one burped.